You can't use the drive-thru. It's coming up in moments, so stay tuned. But let's do it right now. Without further ado, this is just in. This is like QVC breaking news story, everybody. Like this is normally $69. Why? Because this is Temp-tations massive, fantastic, full-size dinner plate, full-size salad bowl, full-size salad plate, full-size soup, cereal bowl, all here, four of them. So 4 times 3 times 12.
Carry the 12. 12.
Yeah, you get 12. Do the math, $69, day in, day out, and been loved. Been customer top rated before. It's now $3.33 a piece.
Wow.
$3.33, and it's free shipping and handling. All here, all on 5Z payments. So this is the single best deal I've ever seen. I've been here for 29 years. You guys have been here 22. In a dinnerware set. So all you do is make your choice right here and now. Old world. Now we have a lot of old world choices. Starts with confetti. That's really pretty.
Hello, yellow.
Hello, yellow. Here's your classic blue. Love, love, love. No reorder on this one. This.
Wedding gift. That's all I have to say.
There's
wedding
your gray.
gift.
Final order of the year, free shipping and handling. Brung it to the dance in the first place. That's that classic green. And then we go to floral lace down below.
We have the yellow there. Oh, there you're seeing the red and the gray and the yellow.
Boom,
so
boom, boom.
Red is going to be that holiday. So if you've always wanted holiday dinnerware but you didn't want to make the investment.
How to blue, it's already gone.
Great. It's blue's gone?
So the blue of the floral lace is already gone,
Oh,
guys?
boy.
Okay, see you later.
Well, I was going to show you all those pieces, but
Red
nope.
next to go, because I want to show the whole thing that everybody's getting.
Can I show it just where, even though blue's gone, I'll show it really quick.
After we go through these guys. Woodland.
Buttercream.
Flying.
We already lost white today. There's your gray. And then there's your slate blue.
Boom. Okay,
then up here,
most limited.
this is what we like to call kind of like our seasonal.
We're not done yet. 12-piece set, we're going to show it to you.
Here's what we call our red reindeer. So this is going to be that beautiful holiday pattern with the reindeer on the inside.
Yeah.
Pawfetti. So we did dinnerware in the pawfetti. Notice that soup cereal bowl, 18 ounces, 10.5-inch dinner plates, 8-inch salad and dessert plates.
All this about to go away. Free shipping, 5Z payments, all of it.
You want patriotic dinnerware? Now you have an opportunity again to have our patriotic. Here's what we call olive flutter. Beautiful butterflies, soft pastels, absolutely stunning. Beneath that, we have Believe in our buttercream. So if you've been collecting that, picking it up, notice how each bowl I designed, Rick, to match the pattern. It would be so simple to just do a round plate, a round bowl, done. Look at beautiful with, of course, that fluting all the way around the edges.
That's $3. What just sold out? All the flutter just sold out.
Oh my gosh, you're gonna love it. It's beautiful.
Butterflies are flying away.
And then we have our beautiful doodle-doo. Here's the black. Notice that again, that gorgeous quadrifoil. Notice that the plate itself is solid. As you start to layer these pieces on,
keep going.
They just create a beautiful story. There's your red beneath there, and there's your gray. I know the blue floral lace is sold out, but I am gonna show you what you're getting.
Because it looks like we got 3 pieces here. So everybody, realize what you are getting for $39.98. It's 12 full, amazing pieces. $3.33 a piece.
Yeah. So you're going to get 4 of our coupe-shaped 10.5-inch dinner plates. Why coupe-shaped? So all of those juices, all of those sauces, everything's going to stay put. 4 10.5-inch dinner plates. 4 8-inch salad or dessert plates. 4 of our 18-ounce soup and cereal bowl.
But wait, there's more. I mean, it's incredible for this price. I've never seen it before. It's the final order of the year. They're so well made, and these are great sizes. 1,000 people are on the line right now. We're very busy on the phones. This is just in, Black Friday sale price, expiring offer with all free shipping. That is a lot of beautiful dinnerware.
And here's what you don't have to do. You don't have to baby these pieces. So in and out of the dishwasher, in and out of the microwave. Let me ask you a question. Could you take your fine china, could you put a piece of pizza on it and put it under your broiler?
Yeah, the fine china stays in the cabinet and never comes out.
We just look at it. It's like the throw pillows, right? You never use. Or the hand towels, right? But with these, it's the same stoneware that you've been loving for 22 years. So reheat that piece of pizza in the oven. Reheat your oatmeal in the morning in the microwave. All of these pieces you can cut on, you can serve on. This becomes the exclamation point on your table. When you're looking at this beautiful set table, you've now have the exclamation point. You made all the food. You bought all the linens. You have the heat-resistant runner. You're ready to roll. But what does your dinnerware look like?
Oh, look at that red.
If you pick up 2 sets, that's service for 8. 3 sets, that's service for 12. I always say get an extra set because inevitably you want this for a lifetime. You might break a piece. Now you'll have something extra.
By the way, that's under $80 for a complete service for 8. right? Like 24 pieces.
It's incredible.
Yeah.
With the free shipping and handling, that's $6.66 a piece, right? If you're picking up 2 sets. The fact that we have all of these great patterns and colors, we brought this in for a Black Friday sale price. So a lot of times you'll say, oh, is it just whatever you guys had left? No, this has been super exciting for the last couple of weeks.
1,000 people on the phone right now. When it comes to the woodland, so we're down to 3 colors in the woodland, is that right?
I'm gonna walk over to
We got the 3 colors in the woodland. Buttercream gray, and then that slate blue in that woodland.
And here you have all of that carved detail, right? So the outside of the bowl has the carving, that plate has the carving. But then if you're wondering, what does the center of the plate look? Well, I can cut right on there. There aren't grooves there, and I do that on purpose. That coupe shape that you see there, the pops of the colors. I actually have woodland in 3 colors. I have it in white, gray, and slate blue, and I mix and match them. So here's your buttercream. There's your gray, beautiful shapes in that 12-piece set, and there's your slate blue. But then I also love the way the floral lace looks. And more new customers come into the brand with floral lace because it's classic, it's timeless, holiday red. That gorgeous, this is what my niece,
It's
I
also
sent her 3
truly
sets.
unique. You don't see that anywhere
No,
else
you do
in
not.
America.
And if you were to walk into a retailer, they don't have this many patterns, they don't have this many colors.
And it would be $3.33 for anything
it would
in the store.
probably be one place setting for
Walk
$40.
in and say, could I see your collection of things that you have for $3? Please leave the store.
Right,
now.
exactly.
Please
I'm
walk
sorry.
out
We
now.
got a live one over
sorry,
here.
yeah.
Here's your blue. There's that gorgeous gray. I love this for a wedding gift. There's your green. That's what started it all. The hello yellow that we brought back in honor of our anniversary. And then how gorgeous our confetti that you have here. We've never had a more affordable dinnerware set, and we've very rarely have it on free shipping and handling.
Did I say it was Black Friday sale price and free shipping? You can do it. By the way, this just in, our Black Friday deal drop is live with new items and full of all the must-have gifts. And they all ship for free. Head to QVC.com right now in our app and search Black Friday to shop now. I like that announcement. He's good. Hey,
He
we got
has
more
a
to come
career.
in the big show. Final hour is going to be Le Creuset. Final look at today's special value. So a big day in our Now You're Cooking Day. Thank you so much for joining us. This is Tara Tesher, who created Temp-tations 20